good evening.
Hello, ma'am. Very good evening.
How are you?
Yes, I'm great and fantastic. What about you?
Yes, I am also doing great, exceptionally well. Thank you for asking. So, how has your day been so far?
My day was so far is okay, not good, not bad, because nowadays my kids are at home, so that is why I can't do productive nowadays. They are always at home, so they are just like irritated. Sometimes they are giving the irritation to me. Like I just want to do something, but they are just surrounding always. Now is he also coming in behind of me. So he was thinking like Mama is busy, so he can take the phone and he go outside.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So
Okay.
what about your day?
Yes, actually, children always make most of it. They know mama is busy and you just have to nod your head, isn't it? Okay, mama will say, yes, go,
Right.
but please leave me alone for some time. Yes,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, it's happened.
Hmm. Yes, my day was also productive. It has been productive actually. Today I had three sessions, and I am a teacher also, so I taught my students as well. And yes, I am this time. I am dog tired, but still I am blessed that I have a lot of work in my plate, and God gave me strength to fulfill all. So thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so you are here on my YouTube channel for the very first time. Would you mind introducing yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. So now I will tell about myself. So my name is Preeti. I hail from Indore, but I am not originated from the Indore. I originated from the nearby Gwalior. That is a very small town. And I'm talking about my study. So I have completed MBA. After completing the MBA, I was working previously as a financial advisor, but now I'm not working because I'm having two kids. So that is why like I'm running my YouTube channel. I also I'm upskilling myself by that way, like to create my YouTube channel. So that is pretty much about me, ma'am. Thank
Oh,
you, ma'am.
wow, that's wonderful, and it's lovely to hear about your introduction. And sometimes I feel proud that being a homemaker, we have a lot of responsibility, but still, we are doing something else in our life. Instead of doing only household chores, managing our children, like looking after them, but still we are doing something else. We are upgrading our skills day by day, right? So there are many women,
Right.
many of us, we took the initiative and now we are here, right? So we should feel proud and we
Right.
are blessed that God gave us this capability, right? Okay. So shall I
Yes,
introduce
ma'am.
myself? Do you need my introduction as well?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, definitely, because I would like to know
Oh,
about you.
right. So, as I come to me, my name is Meenakshi and I am from Punjab, specifically from district Jalandhar. As for my education, I have completed my master's degree in the year of 2018, and currently I am also a homemaker, and by profession I am a teacher also, and I am blessed with one baby daughter. And yes, apart from that, I am also running a YouTube channel by the name of Meenakshi English Vibes from Jalandhar. So it's a nutshell introduction from my side.
Thank you, ma'am. We
Yes.
great to know here about you. We all are the YouTubers. So we are learning from each other.
Right, exactly. So how long are you on your YouTube journey?
So, ma'am, I would like to tell about my YouTube journey. When I start to learn this language, that time I started my YouTube channel also. So, when I doing the conversation with other platform, so that conversation I'm uploading on my YouTube channel that time. But nowadays I'm not into much in this conversational video. I just creating a source also. So when I start to learn this language, that time I try to having a conversation. Nowadays, like I'm just working on my other things, like I'm doing something as a part-time job. So that is why I'm not much in that. Like I'm having a conversation, but at least I am trying to do that. Like at least one conversation we have to do so that our fluency will be improved. Otherwise, like we are stuck in somewhere.
Right, right,
We
right.
think like we are losing our fluency.
Yes, 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 definitely.
So
Even
that
if,
way I started my. It's almost yes, yes, yes.
no, no, please go
Yeah,
ahead.
ma'am, go ahead. Okay, so it's about to the more than 4 months I'm running my YouTube channel.
Wow, that's wonderful. So how it's going? How's your YouTube journey going on?
It's kind of monotonous nowadays. Like when I start to learn this language, that time I was thinking, okay, I'm learning this language, so I have to be running my YouTube channel. But when we are talking with the other co-learners, so we always talk about to the our speaking journey. So sometimes we was thinking we are again and again same thing, same thing. So sometimes it's monotonous, but why we have to try to take it out the topic, because when we are taking the topic, so that way we have to think about that and we have to express our thought, and people also get to know about the new things. Because when we are talking about the English journey, so many YouTubers, they are creating the same kind of video, like how you learn this journey, how you learn this language, and what kind of difficulties you are facing. So sometimes I was thinking like continuously we are uploading that kind of content, so people are also getting bored. They think, okay, there is the same content, so why we have to go in this content? So that is why nowadays I was thinking I have to create something else different.
Yes, yes, exactly. And while having conversation on topics, we can learn and we can broaden our horizon as well, right? And we can think out of
Yes,
box. Otherwise, we are just on this boundary
right.
and there is nothing else, right? Because everyone knows that if I am running a YouTube
Yes,
channel, if I am into this journey, obviously I have learned and I already posted on my channel that that's how I started my channel and now I am here into my journey, right? Okay, so
right.
let's get start with some of questions, right? Meanwhile, you can ask me as well. So, okay, so my first question is
Yes.
for you. Um, is your life the same that you imagined when you were in school?
Okay. When I was in a school, that time is life is different, because we think always like that is very easy our life.
Hmm.
We are not thinking about to learning new things, new skills. But now we are in that age. So we think like in our earlier age when we were child, that time we have to learn so many things. If you learn, so definitely in present you can present yourself in a better way. But
Hmm.
if we are talking about in our childhood, so that time we are not thinking about too much about any skills, about any upgradation. So like that is different. But now present time is different. If you are not upgrading, if you are not learning new things, it means you are losing your life. Like you are not upgrading yourself, you are not catching the new generation. Because now we all knows like it's online things everywhere. So we have to learn and upgrade. If you are not upgrading, so you are in behind of the new era, I
Right.
would say.
Yes, yes, definitely. Yes, as I come to me, I also resonate with you in many ways because, during childhood, we were not conscious about anything. We were not aware that, okay, what should we do in the future? Right, how we would upgrade our skills, no matter what kind of skill was there, but we was not aware because we were not conscious about anything, anxious about anything, right? So over the period of
Right.
time we can see, okay, like this time, if I talk about this time, we have learned so many things, how to be resilient in our life, right? If we are getting failure over and again, so how we can bounce back easily over particular thing, right? And how
Right.
we can back on our feet if something is going wrong, if life is not in my favor, so how I
Yes.
can back on my feet easily, how to be resilience in our life. So somewhere it's difficult as per me during childhood because there is a quote, wisdom doesn't come while eating almonds, but it definitely comes by stumbling over and again. Right. So I often believe that
Hmm.
how many times you stumble, as much as you become a resilient person in your life. Right. So my life is also quite similar, but during childhood, I was little sensitive as well. I was quite shy, underconfident girl. But now, as compare
Yeah.
that life, I can see, yes, I am something, right? I am doing something in my life.
Right.
So this is my opinion, right? Okay. So
Absolutely correct, ma'am.
yes. So tell me three things that you have learned with passing 3 years.
Passing 3 years. Okay, I would say about I learned so many things, but I will tell about three things that is very important. I learned. First thing I learned, like you have to be a working. You have to, because hard work always pays off. If you are doing something, so you have to be stay consistent also for the your hard working, and because when you are doing something, it will take time, but it will give the something to you. It will pays off you.
Hmm.
Second thing is that if you are doing something, so you have to be determined for your goal. If you are determined for your goal, definitely you will achieve your goal. But you should be determined, you should be consistent. So we all are the running YouTube channel. So we all knows we have to be consistent on your YouTube, on our YouTube channel. If we are not consistent, so it will not pay off. And
Right.
third thing is that we have to be patience, because patience is also must. If you are patience in any patience, and you don't give up for anything. If you are giving up, it means you are not getting whatever you want. So we have to be patient. And one more thing, we have to be continue in your journey, whatever you are doing.
Hmm.
Because if you are continue your journey, definitely you will get the return to you. Whatever, like it's about not about to the YouTube, like about your career, about your goal. Everyone have a different goal, different kind of goal. So like we can't say like you think like you don't achieve your goal in different days. Like we all see many co-learners, they are learning this language at 60 plus age also. So how they, because they have think like they have to learn, they are loving this language, that is why they are learning this language. They are also consistent in this journey. So
Right.
yeah, we have to be consistent all the thing.
Wow. What a beautiful and lovely answer. And like you have a clear thoughts in your mind on this question. And I can also completely resonate with you. First of all, I must say, sometimes we start comparing ourselves with someone. That is not mandatory,
Yeah.
right? So every individual has their own personality. We should not underestimate ourselves. This is the first thing which I have learned in my life so far, right? Once you start comparing yourself with someone, your growth will be or would be stagnant somewhere, right?
Right.
And over time you feel, or deep down you feel, that why I am facing a problem in the term of
Yes.
mental health, right? So we should not compare our journey with anyone. Secondly, I must say, nobody is perfect in this world, right? If someone is
Absolutely.
thinking that okay, I will start something after this perfection, so that day never ever come in their life, right? So if someone wants to achieve something, they have to start today itself, without waiting the day that they become a professionalism in their life. That day will never ever come in their life, right? And the
Right.
last but not the least, the thing is, we should make a strike balance between family and success, right? If you are able to
Right.
maintaining the balance, you can easily survive, right? Because God gave us this such a beautiful life only once, so we should enjoy each and every moment in our life. So if we are capable enough, we have caliber to achieve a particular goal, so that's okay, but you should maintain or strike a balance between your success and your family, your relationship. So I guess these three things I have learned in my
Yes.
life so far. Right?
That's
Okay.
great because every people like I want to add one more thing also.
Yes.
So why people are comparing to others? Because they are not thinking about their behind things.
Hmm.
Because people are learning this language, so they are thinking like how they learn within a 3 months or 4 months. So they don't know what they have put their efforts for learning this language for anything else.
Hmm.
When you go through that, then you understand better like what is the reason behind of that and how they grow, how they get success in their life, like not about to the English journey is everything. People are always judging by the book of cover. They are
Hmm.
not thinking about their behind journeys, they are just thinking about superficial thing, that is why.
Yes, yes. We should compare ourselves with ours only, right? If you
Yes,
know,
yes, right.
you picked a very beautiful point here, that we compare ourselves with someone else, but we should compare our journey with ourselves, right? It's mandatory and
Right.
plays a vital role in our life to some extent, isn't
Correct.
it? Because I know where
Yes.
I was 2 years ago and
Yes.
now where I am. So this thing can give me a sense of contentment, right? Otherwise,
Right.
it can lead to a mental health.
Yes, yes,
Right.
definitely.
Yes. Do you have any question? You can also ask me.
I think
Right.
okay, I think so. How you learn this language? Like it's come in your like you learn this language by yourself, or you think like you have taken any classes by that by someone else?
Initially, I started my English learning journey by sitting at home. Like I used to watch YouTube videos, conversational videos, and since then I came across with the Chat GPT. I guess I found a mentor in my life, right? So everything
Yeah, that's great.
started becoming very easy in my life, and apart from that, I am also attending sessions with English Yari, so where I got confidence as well. Yes, confidence
Yeah,
I had accidentally in my life, but somewhere when you have vast knowledge, fund of knowledge, then automatically confidence comes in your life, right? So by talking
right.
on topics over and again, now I can see that okay, now I am confident enough and I can talk to on any topic easily. Yes, whether I am making a lot of mistakes, but it's also part of my journey. I learn through my mistakes.
Same, ma'am. Actually, I also doing the very most of the mistakes when I start to learn this language. So, but now gradually it's moving because we understand what mistakes we are doing. Initially, nobody knows their mistakes, but mistake is the part of learning the language. It's
Right.
not about the language, everything, everywhere.
Hmm. Right, right.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So, do you have any question for me?
Okay.
It's
Uh,
stucking. I don't know why. Like from your side, network issue is there.
no, no, there is no any network issue. I was also wondering that it's like like a network issue. But
Might be.
I have already attended
Okay.
3 or 4 sessions, but I don't know why. I guess there is a network glitch.
Okay, it's okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. So,
Yes. Okay. So it was pleasure
do you
talking.
have any question?
No, I don't have any question, but it was
Thank
pleasure
you.
talking to you, and I enjoyed our conversation, and we will meet soon. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.